What's up, everybody? Johnny Red here. Today is December 26th, 2021. We're almost came to the end of the year. We're going to talk about a ticker that I'm looking at going into Monday. I just want to put it out there first. Hey, we need to see the market open for 15 to 20, 25 minutes before make a move on this. But the ticker we're going to talk about today is going to be Zoom. So that's stock ticker ZM. And as you can see here, we got the TT Blackbox pulled up, and you can see it alerted bearish on the 21st, 22nd, the 23rd. And I kind of got it pulled up on the chart. Gonna go over with a little bit of the breakdown of what I'm looking at. So as you can see here, I'm looking for the entry at 186.40. So I'm basically looking at this last day that it traded. I mean, you can see every day that it alerted bearish, it went down, kind of gapped up, then it went down, made a little bit lower low, of course, cooled off and came back up, then went down again, cooled off, went down. I'm looking for this when market opens Monday for us to start dropping again. And I want to make sure that it breaks below the lowest point that it did this past week, which is this 186.40 range. So I'm looking for a break below the 186.40 before I enter this. I'll be entering short shares, and I'm also looking at the January 21st, 2022 185 and 180 put contracts. So my first target range is going to be this 184 range. That's where I'm targeting to get down to first. And if you look back about a week and a half ago, you can see that it kind of struggled around in that range several times. It liked to trade in that range multiple different days before it broke below it, or it finally broke back above it. So if we get to that point, of course, that's going to become my stop. I might give it about an extra 20 cents, probably move that stop to about 184.20, give it a little more room to go. And then the next target range is going to be the 180 range, and you can see same thing a couple of times, different days. It traded all day along those this 180 range right in here about a week and a half ago, kind of pre-market after hours on this day. A lot of shares traded around that range back on the 16th as well. So that's the next range. And then final range, just if we're going to continue to see some bearish movement, looking for the 175.45 range, which is pretty much out of the last 2-3 weeks. That's the lowest point it ever got to. So you can see this going all the way back to the beginning of December pretty much in that 175.45 range. It kind of came almost down to it 3 different times before it turned around. So that's what I'm looking at for Monday. So just remember, it's been a long weekend, Christmas and everything. A lot could change. I really think that they're going to start letting the market die off a little bit. I don't think they're going to continue to keep on propping it up like they have been, but I could be totally wrong. But this has been alerting a bearish pretty much every day, so we're going to try to capitalize on some of that. So I want to see it get down to this 186.40 range first. So I hope everybody had a wonderful Christmas. Ready to get started. Looking forward to the new year. Of course, college football is coming to an end, but you know, this is stock ticker Zoom. So hopefully we'll have a good Monday and we'll see some plays. But this is one that I'm really watching. And as always, Base Hits Pad the Wallet. Johnny Red out.